while this is a beautiful painting, I want to redo it. When I'm doing my leaves, just too much black. So I do love it, but let me see, what color did I? Okay, let's do it again. Ah, I know it's hard. This, I love the bloom though. Okay. Don't want that. Okay. Spin that just a little bit. Oh, getting paint everywhere. Just a little bit. Okay. Got plenty of paint on there. Let's go again. Okay. So, blue. I'm sorry. This is teal and cerulean blue. Now our dioxazine purple. And our deep violet, which is a little bit lighter, by Liquitex. And a custom color, which is a Quin Rose, Quin Magenta, and primary element Mango Mamba. And did I have another color? Oh, I used a different purple this time. Okay, that's okay. Oh, let's do our quinacridone magenta by Golden. And I'm using Unicorn Spit, Gel Stain, Golden Gosling. Adding a little more. Last time I didn't see too much of it. Okay, now let's lay down my leaf colors. Now, just a tiny dot of this black. Let me see what other color I have I could use. You know what? I'm going to try something different. I'm going to use Payne's Gray. Let me shake this. I mean, use this for a while because it's not quite as dark. We'll see how this goes. Not doing so good. Not doing so good with my blowout. Look at that one. Oh well, I think it's my pillow paint. Yeah, I think so. But a lot of that's gonna come off anyway. Okay, let's do our, now we're gonna go back to the oxide black and let's do our little flowers. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Don't want to miss that. Okay, let's see. I love the colors, all except that right there. Smallest dot that I can. All right, well. Okay, that's better. Little kind of, well, we'll see. Doesn't really match the others. It's a little too light. I have a little purple here. Just gonna oh well. Don't want to mess it with it too much because then you just end up messing things up. Okay, so let's work on our petals. That's really pretty. Look at that. My dog's trying to come in. Elsa, stay out. Oof. Out. Okay, I gotta let her out or she'll start barking. She's a golden retriever. But I got paint all over my hands, so let me wipe my hands. Now I did see something which I need to correct. You know what? Oh gosh, there's a chunk of something. I didn't even see that earlier, but I do know that somehow. The teal, that went there. I probably did that and didn't even realize it. Okay, I need to spin out some more. Oh, no, gentle, careful. Don't want to lose. All right, let me see. Drip any paint. My hands are full of paint. Maybe I'll take off my glove now. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, there's a good enough. Let's see how much paint is. Oh, we're good. We don't have to spin off anymore. Now, this black, that's fine. Maybe I'll have to make up a dark green cell activator. This is looking beautiful. Honey, come and look. So I am recording, so.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that beautiful? Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, well, I am definitely gonna get you in for a close-up of this, and I will try to give you more. I really like the flowers in the midst of the garden, but I've never really seen a flower in those colors in the garden. Maybe, I don't know, but it is vibrant, let me tell you. I think it will dry nice because there's not much left. Too much paint left on there. And well, I wish you God's blessing. And if you'd like to see more like this, subscribe if you haven't already. And give me a like if you like this. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. God bless you.